Mansory gave Bentley's new Continental GT forged carbon parts from hood to diffuser. Massive 22-inch gloss black wheels are the most tasteful exterior upgrade by Mansory. Interior updates include tan leather, forged accents, custom seatbelts, and a reshaped wheel. Mansory has never been one to let a new luxury car debut without immediately asking, how can we make this louder, shinier, and more controversial? So, naturally, it didn't take long for the tuner to get its hands on the latest Bentley Continental GT. While the modifications aren't quite as outrageous as some of Mansory's recent work, they still push the boundaries of what Bentley purists would consider acceptable or forgivable. The German tuner has had quite an affinity for forged carbon fiber parts in recent years, and for better or worse, the Continental GT is now chock-full of them. The most prominent piece is the hood, which sets the tone for a front end that also includes a forged carbon grille, splitter, and air intake shrouds. The forged carbon galore continues along the sides, with the door mirrors, side skirts, and trimmings on the doors. Found at the rear are a subtle lip spoiler at the top of the window, a decklid spoiler, a new diffuser, and aftermarket tailpipes. Mansory has also fitted gloss black 22-inch wheels, which are perhaps the only nice addition to the exterior of the luxury GT. As we've come to expect from Mansory over the years, it's made plenty of changes to the Bentley's interior. However, it's all quite restrained this time, and dare we say it, it actually looks pretty good. The seats and door panels are finished in light tan leather, with forged carbon accents running across the door panels and dashboard. Mansory has also added its own seatbelts and new floor mats. It also tweaked the shape of the steering wheel. As standard, the new Continental GT delivers 771 horsepower and 738 lb-ft, 1000 Nm, through its plug-in hybrid V8 powertrain, but Mansory could try to bump up that horsepower figure into the 800s or the 900s. The latest Continental GT comes standard with a plug-in hybrid V8 pushing 771 horsepower and 738 lb-ft, 1000 Nm of torque. That's already more than enough to make a car this size feel unnervingly quick. But this is Mansory we're talking about, and it's likely only a matter of time before the power gets nudged or shoved into the 800s or even 900s. Because if there's one thing Mansory loves more than forged carbon, it's numbers that start with an 8.